Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at this Victure AC940 action camera. It is specified that's recording in up to 4K Ultra HD 60 frames per second, having a touchscreen operation with up to 40 meters waterproof protection. Inside the box, we have a very detailed instruction manual. There's the camera itself, which you're going to take a closer look at very shortly, with such accessories that are included like a micro USB charge cable for charging. There are plenty of fitment accessories, so yes, you will be able to attach this Victure camera onto numerous amounts of things, for example a motorcycle or bicycle helmet, a motorbike, bike, tripod, gyro stick, even your body or head, which is aided by these Velcro straps that are supplied. Indeed, plenty of fitment accessories. But what's also included in this pack is two 1350 mAh batteries that should really supply you with around 120 minutes recording time while on the go, as well as this real handy picture snap video recording remote control too. Looking back to the 4K camera itself, the action camera does come in this water sealed case, which simply can be opened up by releasing that release mechanism to the top and opening up that rear hinge door. As you can see for yourself just here, all the buttons can easily be accessed on the waterproof camera case itself. To the front of that AC940 camera, we have that 20 megapixel lens. Now we are supplied with a handy little cover for this, just to keep it dust free. But shifting to the left, we have the power on off Wi-Fi connection button. To the right, we have a very small speaker. Below that, we have both micro and USB charge ports to enable charging and file transfer using your supplied cable, and they are situated behind a water sealed hatch. To the top, we have the OK shoot button and the mode selection button. We also have a 2-inch touchscreen, which by the way is fully accessible, and we have both Wi-Fi and power indicators to the bottom left too. Shifting to the bottom, again we have another sealed compartment where we can indeed insert a TF memory card up to 128GB max. You can also insert that battery too, and just to the side we have that tripod mount. To turn the camera on, you just simply got to hold that side power button for 2 seconds. Tapping it again when fully powered on to access that Wi-Fi connection and password, which will enable you to use this camera in conjunction with your laptop, mobile phone or even tablet. From the home screen you can access video mode, photo mode and the settings via the touch functions. There are plenty of settings to be had. For instance, the recording format is set at 4K 30 frames per second. Let's set that higher. Let's set it to 4K 60 frames per second. Like I said, we've got a fair few options to choose from, like loop recording, slow and fast motion recording, wind noise reduction, auto low light, as well as access to wireless visibility. That is after connecting through that iSmart DV app, which by the way guys you may want to download. Once connected, you will have wireless visibility of any camera footage, and you will also be able to save your footage as well as photo snaps to your connected device. Okay, so after recording a fair bit of footage, right away I must say I'm quite surprised at the video image quality. Video pickup is nice and crisp, fantastic contrast ratio by the way, good colour tones, with not much screen washout, with plenty of settings and adjustments to be had. That is with this image recording in 4K 60 frames per second. Now when it came to that microphone quality, again the voice pickup is above average, with not much wind distortion, and again I've got to note that when you place this camera within that waterproof sealed case, you will get very minimised audio pickup. So yeah, with that camera, 20 megapixels in fact, still images are really fantastic. Again above average, and those images can be more appreciated when they are transferred to your laptop or PC. From that main options menu you can choose photo burst options, a delayed timer, and even photo timestamp your pictures. Both the external case and camera are exceptionally sealed. Nothing like those cheap rip-off GoPro cameras that you see all over the internet. With this particular one, that's letting one drop of water in, having great functionality with those external buttons, but again, obviously, those touch controls won't be accessible while using the waterproof case. So yes, overall, when the resolution is on those max settings, this camera does supply you with a good wide angle picture. With video image we have good anti-shake, auto ISO, with pretty good wireless control using that 10-meter wireless remote control. For around £80, that's 110 US dollars, is this really worth a buy? Well, I do think so. After all, you definitely feel by the build quality alone that you're getting a good quality product. It certainly does have a bit of weight to it. 130 grams in fact. We did get around 48 minutes continuous use time out of the 60 minutes that was specified. That is using that one single battery unit. But we will note that we did allow a bit of time for all the messing around within those settings, using that touchscreen and reviewing our previously recorded videos, etc. So yeah, I do think that this Victure camera is a fantastic piece of equipment for different recording environments, with our rating for this camera sitting at 10 out of 10. Yep, we certainly can recommend it, and we will leave a link for it within the video description down below. Now if you do want to go ahead and check that link out, we will make you aware that we are not affiliated in any type of way. You are free to check it out should you wish, but if you do like what you see, well why not go get yours? While you're in that video description guys, it'd be mighty fine if you smash that like button today. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, I'd very much appreciate it. Making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated upon our new uploads. Now we did enjoy unboxing this product this week, and we will be doing some more in the next few days, so stay tuned for our new uploads. But as usual guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!